Hi there, it's George here, and today I want to show you one beautiful succulent plant in bloom, which is called Kalanchoe daigremontiana, and it is huge, just so beautiful. I have to show you so many blooms. As you can see, they're amazing. For the first time this plant blooming for me and so many flowers, and I decided to make special video. Just look at them, so beautiful. And this plant I have since 2 years already. It was grow from little cuttings, and now it is in bloom and have around 2 meters height, which is very nice. And I grow it under grow light. Maybe the grow light helped the plant to bloom. I don't know, in this corner does not have so much natural sunlight, but anyway, the plant is in bloom, so beautiful. Let me show you the flowers close up, as you can see here. Amazing, so happy. Kalanchoe daigremontiana. This variety I have since 2016 and now blooming for the first time. I pruned another plants and this have only 2 years. So here, as we can notice, leaves are missing, but it's okay. The plant is old already, it's huge, it's like a tree in my house growing, and all these leaves soon will dry and will remain only the flowers and this leaves, but you know what I will have to do? I will prune this and I will have new plants. So interesting to see the blooms for the first time. Amazing. And so many, as you can see here. Incredible how many. And let me show you this corner. It's not right balance, but anyway, I think you understand me. So here is beautiful focus image, is just good, and I enjoyed very much that blooming for the first time. And it's a succulent plant and there's no need much care, just water it sometimes and no water a lot, and add some fertilizer like NPK. That's it. But I added only natural fertilizer, and in the ground here I added too new compost, and the plant loved that. So interesting and beautiful flowers, as you can see here. Just wow. Let me show you how looking. These flowers are just amazing. I grow it on the grow light, but grow light I take away a little bit for using it in a video to have light. Well, this Kalanchoe deserves video special, and thanks so much for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and subscribe to my photography channel if you want. And see you next time. Bye bye. George was here. Amazing flowers.